I was kidnapped by the Andhra police. Hence, I was not available for the court dates. Hence, my devices, all of them, 10 devices were seized. How would I have given evidence in the Bombay case? So I believe from correlation of things, this false case was done to conveniently shut the Bombay case and just give a clean chit to all these powerful men and, crush me in the process. Make me the culprit, make me take responsibility of everything. Why should I? I expect more support from good people in the country. So what if so much money is involved? So what? The truth has to come out, right?
all are involved in it. कंप्लेंट में किस किस का नाम डाला है कादम्बी जी?
Like these police officials, under the guidance of the commissioner of the then commissioner Kanti Rana Tata, who filed an illegal case against me. My main grievance is about this illegal case against me that made me and my family suffer so much. My father lost his hearing. My mother started having heart ailments, BP ailments. We are still in terror. We have had suffered total nervous breakdown. So our main grievance was, and why was an illegal case filed without an iota of evidence? The responsibility has to be taken by the authorities, which was then under the guidance of the then Commissioner Vijayawada, Kanti Rana Tata. And of course, the complainant, why did he forge a totally malicious false case for his monetary benefits? He would just, involving money, power, just character assassinate an innocent woman and family.
Ma'am, is there any political involvement in this case, ma'am? Is there any political involvement?
That is a matter of investigation. I stated the facts that before my court dates in the Bombay case, where I could give statement, before I could give evidence, I was just kidnapped to Andhra, and the Bombay case was shut behind me. That the girl did not appear. The girl did not give evidence. How would I? I was here. And political involvement is a matter of investigation. But these are the facts. And as you can see, there's so much manipulation, there is power, there is money involved.
Application of
आपको टॉर्चर किसने किया? आपको टॉर्चर किसने किया?
The evidence that they have fabricated and implicated me in the same, it is no less than, the worst torture in the world. Staying for almost 45 days in incarceration wrongfully, unlawfully, that causes my parents to almost lose their lives. And face a nervous breakdown, I'm still living in terror. That what if this happens again? This is torture. So torture.
How many police officers kidnapped you?
So there, in the remand report, and there was a team of more than around 10 to 15 police officials, but they were low-ranking officials there who actually kidnapped me. They were definitely they were just doing their jobs. I believe, what I feel, they were even sympathetic to us because an innocent family and highly educated family being trapped, into unlawful things this way.